Watch as I fail miserably. And then triumph. Look at that. Come out beautiful. These have tacked, so that means they're sticky, but they're not wet. So you can touch it, fingers stick to it, but nothing sticks to my fingers. So these are ready for glass. Now let's look at this one first. It's effed. I'm not fixing that, even just for one part. But that's not even the worst of it. Look at this flipping thing. The whole thing crazed up. You know why? My gel coat was too thin. That's thin gel coat, that's that. Too thin. I tell you right now, I'm not flipping happy, that's for sure. That's like 6 kilos of resin or more in the bin, gone. You know? And then all that mat, meters and meters of mat, and I'm running out of that mat. So this roll was that big. Not freaking happy, but it's my own fault, so they're going in the bin. Unless he wants a really textured seat, but I don't think he'd want that. It's supposed to look like a better version of this. I ordered a gel coat gun. It's got a 3mm tip, 3mm needle in it. This was I used a 1.4 on this, and it was like not happy. Not happy at all. That looks slightly better than the first attempt. I'm gonna run with that. This one still needs a few more layers built up on it. So let's do that now. Wax PVA, just straight up laminate that one. Let's go. We go. Pretty good. Pretty good. Needs a tiny little bit of cleanup. Other than that, pretty happy. Let's see how the mold turned out. Not that one. The one over there on the floor. way better, 100 times better than the first one I did. I'm happy with that. Happy with that. That came out real nice. You can see the shiny, the blacker parts here and here, where the sticky tape was. Because the sticky tape is a highly flat, polished surface, it transferred it, whereas the rest of it's matte because the seat's matte. Polish transfers. So if you have polished mold, you have shiny parts come out of it, basically. So let's lay this up. I'm not going to show laying it up, I'll just show pulling it out. Let's go. There it is. Fit it up, fits beautifully. You can see it fits under the lip there now, all the way around. Just like that. Nice tight fit. So when this is on the car, you'll see this part, and that's about it of the back. You see, obviously, you see the whole seat. It's going to have some holes in here. I think the holes go through, yeah, they do. They get bolted here, and that also bolts the back part on, which I don't have anymore because the customer took it. And I would sit this on the body, but the customer also took that, which is fine. These are not perfect. There's some little imperfections here and there, and that's just the nature of fiberglass. Nothing is ever perfect. Even your $1 million yacht will have imperfections in it somewhere, even if it's a little tiny one like this little bit there. I'm happy with it. I think the customer will be happy with it. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. And I'll see you in the next one.